Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft lag easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just click on this Windows here icon and then go to settings. Once you're here, go to this search bar and type background apps. Click on it. Now once you're here, scroll down until you find background apps, click on it. Now just here you'll find background apps, just turn off the first option and go back, go to settings again and then go to gaming, turn off Xbox bar and go to game mode, make sure it's turned on, then just close this page and open task manager. Now just click memory and you will see the applications that use your memory. Right click on it, end task, right click, end task. Don't forget to close Google Chrome because it takes a lot of your memory. That's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.